Hey everyone, how you doing? It's Ed with the Reef Corner. You will have to forgive me, but I am not sure what kind of parrot fish it is. It is out of Bali at 7 inches. Any questions? 201-926-0536. Call or text or email me at sales@TheReefCorner.com. If you want to see all my videos, go to my webpage, TheReefCorner.com. Follow me on Instagram. Alrighty folks, thank you very much. We're going to let them settle in a couple of days, do a video, an updated video. We just went in after a freshwater dip and a little on the irritated side. That's okay. 201-926-0536, call or text, or email me at sales@TheReefCorner.com. Sweet! Got an awesome looking trigger. My trigger, Parrot.